So take one problem. So here verify 1 and onto on the given domain and codomain f of x equal to x by 1 plus x. So domain and codomain equal to 0 to infinity where close interval 0 here open. So we should complete this problem by graphically. First you observe this here. Take y is equal to f of x is equal to x by 1 plus x. At 0 you observe this. If x tends to 0, that implies y also tends to 0. So the graph is passing through origin. That means you take like this 0, 0. And also here y is equal to x by 1 plus x. This is also equal to 1 by x plus 1. Take common in the numerator denominator x, you will get this. If x tends to plus or minus infinity, when you replace x tends to plus or minus infinity, 1 by infinity will be 0. That implies y tends to 1. And also you observe here, that is f of x is equal to x by 1 plus x. That implies add and subtract 1 plus x. This is also equal to 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x. So f dash x is equal to, so this is 0 plus 1 by 1 plus x square. This is always positive. So f dash x is greater than 0. F dash x is greater than 0. That implies f of x is strictly increasing function. So strictly increasing function. So that is graph here. I'm taking x-axis, y-axis. Take 0. So graph is passing through origin. But here domain, that is very, very important. Domain is equal to 0 to infinity. So this is closed interval. It is also equal to codomain. And observe this, where x tends to 0, y 0, graph is passing through origin. Where x tends to plus or minus infinity, that is I am taking here, x tends to plus or minus infinity, y tends to 1. Got it. So that's why, so graph is reaching to 1 when x tends to plus or. But here, you take only plus. Because here, domain is 0 to infinity. There is no negative value. So that's why, suppose here I am taking borderline is 1. So this is the borderline. Where graph is increasing. Clearly graph is increasing. In the domain 0 to infinity. So from here the graph is increasing but reaching to 1. So that's why this is the graph reaching to 1. So when you observe this graph, take any line parallel to x-axis on the graph. Clearly this line is intersecting the graph at only one point. It is 1, 1. So f is 1, 1. F is 1, 1 because the line parallel to x-axis on the graph intersecting at only one point. Number 2. So here f is not 1, not onto. F is not onto because range. What is the range of the graph? 0 to 1 only. 0, this is the minimum value. It is not equal to codomain. That's why it is not onto. So write another problem. Verify 1, 1 onto to the given function f of x equal to x by 1 plus x square. Where domain is real line, but codomain is minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2 closed interval. Again, I am verifying this problem by graphically. So here, first take y is equal to f of x is equal to x by 1 plus x square. First observe at origin. That means x equal to 0. That implies y also equal to 0. That means clearly passing through origin. The graph is passing through origin. And also here domain is or minus infinity to plus infinity. At plus or minus infinity you observe y also. Suppose here f of x is equal to x by 1 plus x square. This is also equal to, take x common in the numerator denominator. This is 1 by x plus x. This is also equal to y. This is also equal to y. If x tends to plus or minus infinity, then y tends to 1 by infinity will be 0. This is 0, again 1 by infinity. That is also equal to 0. When x tends to plus or minus infinity, y tends to 0. This is very, very important. And also observe their slope. So what is f dash x? F dash x is equal to u by v method. That is 1 plus x square into 1 minus x into 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. You observe where the slope is 0. This is very, very important to draw the given graph. So f dash x is equal to 0. That means 1 plus x square minus 2x square equal to 0. That implies x square equal to 1. X is equal to plus or minus 1. Is if x equal to 1. What about y? Y is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1. This is equal to 1 by 2. If x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus 1. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. Already we observe at x tends to plus or minus infinity. Y is reaching to 0. Now draw the graph of the given function. So this is minus infinity plus infinity. When x tends to plus or minus infinity, y is reaching to 0. And at x equal to 1, so suppose this is equal to 1. At x equal 1, y is equal to 1 by 2. Suppose I am taking this is equal to 1 by 2. So at x equal 0, y equal to 0. At x equal to minus 1, at x equal to minus 1, y is minus 1 by 2. But at x tends to minus infinity plus infinity, graph is reaching to 0. So that's why first I am taking here the graph like this reaching to 0. And from here also the graph again reaching to 0. So when x tends to plus infinity, graph reaching to 0. But at x equal 1, it is equal to 1 by 2. At x equal 1, y is equal to 1 by 2. At x equal minus 1, y is equal to minus 1. But it reaching to plus infinity, then graph also reaching to 0. Minus infinity, graph also reaching to minus. This is the graph of the given function. Draw any line parallel to x-axis on the graph. Take anywhere. Here also you draw any line parallel to x-axis. So the graph clearly intersecting the line at 2 points. That means the line is intersecting the graph at 2 points. It is not 1, 1. So right here. F is not 1, 1. F is not 1, 1 because the line parallel to x-axis on the graph intersecting at 2 points. Number 2. So number 2, f is, suppose range equal to, range is equal to, what is the range? Minimum value is minus 1 by 2, maximum value is plus 1 by 2. So that's why minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. This is the range of the graph. So but it is equal to codomain. It is equal to codomain. Therefore, range equal to codomain means the function is onto. Therefore, f is onto. So that's why we can observe 1 1 onto by graphical. It is very easy method. Right, another problem. Verify 1 1 onto to the function f of x equal to x cube plus x square plus 3x plus sin x. But here domain and codomain equal to real line R. So here take the given function. F of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus 3x plus sin x. Just observe derivative of the function. F dash x equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 3 plus cos x. And observe the delta because here f dash x is quadratic function. We will observe here delta. What is delta? Delta means b square minus 4ac. This is equal to b square means 4 minus 4ac means that is 3 into 3 plus cos x. this is also equal to 4 minus 12 into 3 plus cos x. We know here that is cos x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Cos x maximum value is 1, minimum value is minus 1. That means it lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Add on both sides 3. That is 2 less than or equal to 3 plus cos x less than or equal to here 4. That means adding on both sides plus 3. That means 3 plus cos x is always positive. 3 plus cos x is always positive means this is less than 0. Since 3 plus cos x lies between 2 to 4, it is always greater than 0. If delta less than 0, f dash x is greater than 0. If delta less than 0, then f dash x is always greater than 0. F dash x is greater than 0 means f of x is strictly increasing function. Strictly increasing function. Every increasing function, strictly increasing function, always 1 function. That's why f is 1. So here take f of x again. F of x equal to x cube plus x square plus 3x plus sin x. So this is clearly cubic equation. But here sin x outcome is always lies between minus 1 to plus 1. The range of the cubic equation always minus infinity to plus infinity, that is R. The range of f of x. Range of f of x. Range of f of x is equal to R. Since f of x is cubic. Here minus 1 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1. So f of x is, otherwise you observe like this. Otherwise here that is f is onto. Because range equal to codomain. And also you observe this. This is f of x, f of x is equal to, take common x cube. If you want, you take n of this. Cubic equation range is always minus np to plus np, that is equal to R. It is also equal to codomain, that's why it is onto function. And also we can observe like this, x cube take common. That is 1 plus 1 by x plus 3 by x square plus sin x by x cube. Now when we take common x cube, that's why if x tends to plus or minus infinity, that implies f of x tends to. Because here when you take x tends to infinity, infinity into this is constant. This is 0, 0, 0 plus 1. That's why constant 1 into infinity, infinity. When you take x tends to minus infinity, this is minus infinity 0, 0, 0 plus 1. Plus 1 into minus infinity. That's why when x tends to plus or minus infinity, f of x tends to plus or minus infinity. That's why here this is also equal to what? Plus or minus infinity to plus infinity. When x tends to 0, y tends to 0. So that's why the range of the given function is equal to R. So that means here we can observe this range is equal to R. So this is also equal to codomain. That's why we can say here f is onto. So this is another method. If you want, take this one. Otherwise, not this, because this is the cubic equation. Always range minus infinity to plus infinity. That is also equal to codomain. That is onto function. So take another problem, that find the condition that f r to r such that f of x equal to is 1 1. If f is 1 1, then find out the condition between a, b, c, d. And also we know here, if f is 1 1, it either strictly increasing function or strictly decreasing function. So take here, take f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d sin x. Note, it is important, if f is to be 1 1, then f should be strictly monotonic function. Strictly monotonic. Monotonic means either increasing or decreasing strictly. That is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. That is, first take f of x again, that is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d sin x. Find out the derivative of the function f dash x, 3ax square plus 2bx plus c plus d cos x. Derivative of sin x will be cos x. Number 1 here, f dash x greater than or equal to 3ax square plus 2bx plus c minus mod d. For the greater than or equal condition, take the minimum value of the cos x. We know here mod cos x lies between minus 1 and plus 1. That is mod cos x less than or equal to 1. That is f dash x is greater than 0. That means what? F is strictly increasing function. Strictly increasing. If f dash x greater than 0 in the quadratic, x square coefficient must positive. That means a greater than 0. X square coefficient is positive. A greater than 0. And delta is negative. The discriminant is negative. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. That is negative. That implies a is greater than 0. 4b square minus 4 into 3a into c minus mod d. It is always negative. If the quadratic function is greater than 0, that is above x-axis, always x square coefficient is positive and discriminant is negative. That implies a is greater than 0, take common for b square less than 3a into, take here, this is 3a into c minus, take second condition, f dash x less than or equal to same, but here plus mod d. For the less than or equal condition, take the maximum value of cos x. We know here what is the maximum value? Mod cos x always less than or equal. Maximum value is 1, minimum value is minus 1. For this, now take here f dash x decreasing function less than 0. So f dash x is less than 0 means here x square coefficient is 3a and also I am taking decreasing function. For this x square coefficient always positive. That means x square coefficient is negative. If the f dash x is less than 0, x square coefficient is negative and the discriminant is negative. Discriminant is negative. That is a is less than 0. 4b square minus 4 into 3a into c plus mod d, always negative. That means a is less than 0, b square minus 3a into c plus mod d less than 0, that is also equal to a less than 0, b square less than 3a into c plus mod d. That means f dash x less than 0 means that is decreasing function. Decreasing function. It's strictly decreasing function. So f is 1 1 if number 1 a greater than 0, b square less than 3a into c minus mod d. For a greater than 0, b square less than 3a into C minus mod D. A is less than 0, B square less than 3A into C plus mod D. The given function is 1, 1. There will be two conditions. For A greater than 0, A less than 0. For A greater than 0, this condition. For A less than 0, this condition. So take another problem. Verify 1, 1 and 2. F R2 R such that f of x equal x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. So here I am giving different model problems on 1, 1 and 2. Take the given function y equal to f of x equal to this. Draw the graph of the given function directly by taking the values. This is x-axis 0. When you take x equal 0, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. So take here minus 6. And take the values 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Plus infinity. This is minus infinity. So clearly the graph is intersecting y-axis at minus 6. At x equal to 1, 0. At x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. And also observe, when you take x equal to 3 plus means positive, positive, positive. That means here, like this, positive. When x equal to 2 plus, this is positive, positive, negative. Positive into positive plus, plus into minus, minus. So, get like this. When you take x tends to 1 plus means this is positive, negative, negative. Positive into negative, that is positive. That means when x tends to 1 plus, so clearly the graph is the range of the given function always minus infinity to plus infinity because this is the cubic polynomial. So here clearly the graph is intersecting x-axis at 1, 2, 3. So now draw the graph of the given function. So like this. This is the graph of the given function. So draw any line parallel to x-axis intersecting the graphs more than one point. It is not 1, 1. F is not 1, 1. Because the line parallel to x-axis on the graph intersecting more than 1. And number 2, f is onto. Since you take here range is equal to R. That means range equal to codomain. If range equal codomain, what is the range? Minus infinity to plus 1. Graph is clearly reaching plus infinity and started from the minus infinity. When x tends to minus infinity, x tends to plus infinity, plus infinity. So that's why the range of the graph is minus infinity to plus infinity, that is R equal to codomain. So that's why f is onto. So f is not 1, 1 and f is onto.